What's up, guys? The boxbreaks.com. Break 9 over 99 is overfilled. Your name's on this list. You're in box 1. So let's go ahead and start. Okay, 3 times. 2, 3. Zoom in. Those are the teams. And now people in the break. 1, 2, and 3. Copy, paste, and like all my breaks, guys, I always put this in the description below for all your viewing pleasures. Try to zoom in here, guys. So Flyers goes to Yeen's Habs. Devils, Lindy now 1. Columbus is Jason. Bruins, Patrick 48. Dallas is Jason. Calgary is MGC Sports. Penguins is Patrick. Carolina is Slew 256. Avalanche is Wes Debmack. Nashville's Doug G. Hawks is Patrick. Kings is Lender 80. Lightning is Mince King. Slew, you got the Panthers, Blues, and Wings. Oilers and Capitals is Patrick. Sabres is Waldooner 7. Coyotes and Canucks, Zip Dog. Ducks is Newfies00. Montreal is Sergei Paulina 84. Jets is Pitco 2456. Toronto is Bankerman. Islanders is Linda 1. Wild is West Debmack. Sharks is Ram 10. Ottawa is Picto 2456. And Rangers is Lilindia 1. So I'll put this in the description below and go to the spot and bust the box. Okay, let's get to it. Decoy ready. And let's get something epic. Maybe we'll pull nice prime colors would be nice. Ooh, pack's a little messed up. They say there's 7 cards. I always see more in the breaks online. Ever so gently. Bring the base to the front. And I like to do it like this for maximum surprise. Okay, so for the Canucks, Roberto Luongo. That's out of $2.99. Let's grab another decoy here. Put it on there. So, Vancouver, Next base card. Out of 50, Zach Parise. Zach Parise for the Wild. Next card for the Columbus Blue Jackets. This one's out of 99. Ryan Murray. For CBJ. Put this knife away. Oh. For the Boston Bruins, out of 25, Ray Bork. Letter, what is this? Prime number sake. This is out of 25, Ray Bork autograph number 7. I don't know if it's left 7 or right 7. That's a sweet card. The Bruins. Dominion. Who's this? Out of 99. John Merrill. Per Dominion rookie patch auto. Out of 99. Panini's just getting rid of their shit. Next is random between, this is 1992 Cup final between the Penguins and the Hawks. Jeremy Roenick, Jaromir Jagr. Terrible accent. So 99 quad patches or prime. So we got one random to do. And oh, another letter. Thomas Hertl. Prime numbers out of 25. There's a good card to get. 2 prime number sakes. Pretty good. And oh my goodness, Sean Monahan at a 199. What a good pack. Really good pack. So I'll have to go back to the spot and do the randoms for this one between the Penguins and Hawks. Check these hits out. Pretty sweet jersey patch. Awesome numbers and letters. Pretty good Rick card auto. And our random, which is not going to be random because Patrick, where are you? Here's the list. You own Chicago and Pittsburgh and Boston. So congrats, you took home everything. So now, if you read my description, spots are bought on this website, not on eBay. You'll be entered to win 2 free spots my next break. So I got everybody in here. So 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Ram 10. So thanks a lot, guys. I did oversell it, like I said, so check out my site. I did put up the second box up already, and the people that bought are on there. So Ram 10, I'll add 2 more spots to this, and when I get back, I'll be back in a week. We'll do this box break. So I'll try to get these cards out right now. And thanks a lot, guys. And check out bigboxbreaks.ecreator.com. Thank you.